Do you want to know how to play from Amazon Music from PC to EcoShow? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Playing music from PC to Amazon EcoShow. Enable Bluetooth on your PC. Go to your PC's settings. Navigate to the Bluetooth settings. Turn on Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth settings on your PC, search for available devices. Select your Amazon EcoShow from the list. Open your preferred music player on your PC. Play your desired music. The audio should now be streaming through your EcoShow. Method 2. Using Alexa to play music. Using voice commands, simply say Alexa, play Amazon Music. You can also request specific songs, artists, or genres by saying Alexa, play song or artist or genre. Method 3. Disconnecting and reconnecting. To disconnect, return to the Bluetooth settings screen on your PC. Find your Eco device in the list of connected devices. Click on the Eco device name and select Disconnect. To reconnect, go back to the Bluetooth settings on your PC. Click on the Eco device name again. Select Connect. Alternatively, you can say Alexa reconnect the name of the computer. And there you have it. The methods to play from Amazon Music from PC to EcoShow. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.